think your property taxes are too high? You're probably right, and you can do something about it. Most people don't realize you can protest your property tax bill and win. In this video, I'm gonna give you the insider tip to help you lower your tax bill and keep more money in your pocket. But before we jump in, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now, let's get after it. You're probably wondering, how are property taxes calculated? You can't fight what you don't understand. Property taxes are based on your assessed property value, not your market value. And there's a big difference. The local tax assessor assigns value using mass appraisal techniques, which means mistakes can happen, my friends. Your job is to find out where they are, overestimating your property taxes, and challenge it with facts. You want to review your property record card. This is literally your starting point, and most people never check it. Go to your county assessor's website and pull your property record, also called an appraisal card. Look for errors, incorrect square footage, wrong number of bedrooms, or amenities you don't actually have. If the data is wrong, that alone could be enough to reduce your assessed value and can lower your property taxes. Compare your property to similar properties. This is called comps. This is one of the strongest weapons in your protest. You need to find 3 to 5 properties in your neighborhood with similar square footage, similar age, and similar features. If they're assessed significantly lower than yours, that's your solid evidence, my friends, of an unfair value. You don't need to be a real estate agent, use Zillow, Redfin, or county records to gather your comps. This information is available to you. All you have to do is go do it. How do you file your protest? Well, you gotta file it on time. That's one simple thing most people miss every year. Every county has a deadline to file a protest, usually 30 to 45 days after the assessment is mailed. Miss that deadline and you lose your chance, no matter how strong your case is. Mark it on your calendars and file it even if you're still gathering evidence. You usually can amend later. The key is to get something in quickly. Prepare your argument like a pro. It's not just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. Keep it simple, keep it to the facts, and focus on the numbers, not emotions. Bring your evidence, including photos, repair estimates, property comps, and incorrect data to the assessor's sites. Make sure you are confident and you are clear in how you want to present it, just like if you were going to present it in a court case. Be succinct and be clear. Consider using professional help. Hired help can sometimes make sense depending on your situation. Some property consultants work on a contingency fee, only taking a cut if they win. If the potential savings are big enough, hiring someone might be worth it. Just make sure you read the fine print. But before you go in, do your homework and make certain you're comfortable so that you can absolutely be assured you're going to be the winner in all of this. Don't be afraid to reappeal even if you lose the first round. It's not over. Usually appeals take a higher level of knowledge base and can happen over and over again. Often you just need to dig deeper into the process and seriously take a step back and be persistent. Don't give up, because it's that persistence that will ultimately pay off. I want to give you a big bonus tip. Use the condition of your property to take advantage of repairs and issues that can lower your value. Don't hide them, document them. Take photos of your roof damage, your foundation cracks, your plumbing problems, or outdated features. Get quotes from contractors and submit those with your protest. It shows real costs to fix your home. This is not the time to try to be proud. A fixer-upper should not be valued like a renovated show home. That's what is going to be required. At the end of the day, let's bring it all together. Winning a tax protest is not about being lucky. It's about being prepared, strategic, and proactive. Start early, know your numbers, and challenge anything that doesn't add up. So let's walk through this again. There are 7 strategies to filing an appeal for your property taxes. Understand how your property taxes are calculated, review your property record card, compare to similar properties and comps, file your protest on time, prepare your argument like the pro you are, consider using a professional, and don't be afraid to appeal again. And for a bonus, do not start bragging on your property. Use the condition of your property to help lower your taxes. If you learned something today, give this video a like, make sure you subscribe, and drop any comments that you want me to respond to below. And here's the thing, if you need additional information, make sure you click on the link to book a consultation so that we can reach out and help you resolve your problem.